When your Joy-Con bumper buttons stop working, it can really mess up your gameplay, especially if you use them for actions like jumping or dodging. So this time, I'm going to show you how to fix your L and R bumper buttons and make them work properly. Let's get started. Fix 1. Test the buttons first. From the home menu, go to System Settings, scroll down and select Controllers and Sensors. On the right, choose Test Input Devices, then select Test Controller Buttons. Now press the L and R bumpers on each Joy-Con. If they don't register or only work sometimes, let's move on to the next fix. Fix 2. Clean the button area. Sometimes dust and debris can get lodged under the bumpers. Take a soft brush or a can of compressed air. Gently clean around the L and R bumper areas on both Joy-Cons. You will see entry points around the curves of the bumper buttons, so try to insert the bristles of your brush inside and clean that part, and avoid using any kind of water or harsh cleaners. After cleaning, test the buttons again to see if they respond better. Fix 3. Detach and reattach your Joy-Cons. Behind your Nintendo Switch, press the release button on the back of each Joy-Con. Slide them up to remove. Then locate the tiny round sync button on the side of each Joy-Con. Press and hold it until the lights flash. Do this for both the Joy-Cons. Now reattach them back to your Switch. After that, test the bumper again to see if the connection reset helps. Fix 4. Reset controller connection. From the home screen, go to System Settings. Scroll down to Controllers and Sensors. On the right side, scroll down to the bottom. Select Disconnect Controllers. Follow the on-screen steps to unpair them. Then repair your Joy-Cons by attaching them to the Switch or using the sync button. See if that fixes the problem. Hopefully by now, many of you have their problems fixed. But in case the issue is persisting, I recommend updating your Switch software and the console from the settings. If that doesn't work either, you probably should take your device to a repair shop. Hope the video helps you out. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.